So let's try this problem, guys. Okay, so this is going to be our second problem for inscribed angles. So we have here number 2. Roni envisions a green space for animals, plants, and humans for the mega tower he aims to build. The green space is shown by the quadrilateral inscribed in a circle below. Okay, so this is going to be the base of the building, as shown here. So we need to find the angles of the quadrilateral given the angle measurements here. So for this one, we have 4 angle measurements and all of them have variables in them. So we have A and B for this one. So therefore, our main objective for this problem is we need to find the values of A and B given a quadrilateral inscribed in a circle. So how are we going to do that? We have to first remember the theorem about inscribed angles in a quadrilateral. What do we say about their opposite angles? So in this quadrilateral, the opposite angles are supplementary. They're supplements of each other. Okay, so therefore, we can say here for this problem, we can say that the measurement of angle C plus the measurement of angle P is equal to 180 degrees, and the measurement of angle E plus the measurement of angle O is also equal to 180 degrees. And for this one, since the measurement of angle C here is equal to 12b minus 2, we can add that to the measurement of angle P, which is equal to A plus 98, and all of that should give us 180 degrees. And then we have the measurement of angle E, which is 2A plus 62, and we have the measurement of angle O, which is equal to negative 1. Okay, so that's negative 1 plus 17b, and it should be equal to 180 degrees. Okay, so for this one, we can say that 98 plus negative 2, so that should give us 96 only. So 12b plus A plus 96 is equal to 180. And if we compute or simplify this equation, the second equation of our problem, this is going to give us 2A, okay, plus 17b, okay, and then what's 62 plus negative 1? Okay, so it's 62 plus negative 1, so that should give us positive 61 is equal to 180. And then we can transfer 96 to the other side and 61 to the other side. So that should give us 180 minus 96. So that's equal to 84. So 12b plus A is equal to 84 degrees. And we can also say 180 minus 61. So that should give us 119. So we can say also that 2A plus 17b is equal to 119 degrees. Okay, for this problem, we now have these two equations, these two simplified equations, equation 1 and equation 2 that we can use to find the values of A and B. And for this one, we're going to use the system of linear equations, okay, in two variables. Okay, so if we have here our first equation is equal to 12b plus A is equal to 84, and we have our second equation is equal to 2A plus, okay, so let's try to erase that. Okay, let's try to interchange those two numbers there. So for this one, this is going to be, so this is going to be 17b. Okay, this is going to be 17b plus 2A is equal to 119. Yeah, so we can write the 12b here at the bottom again, okay, just to separate them. So that's going to give us 12b plus A is equal to 84. Okay, for this one, guys, what we can do is we can multiply this entire equation by negative 2 in order to eliminate this variable that we have here, the negative 2A, and we can solve for the value of B. So if we're going to do that, this is going to be, this will give us 17b plus 2A is equal to 119. And this is going to give us negative 24b, okay, minus 2A is equal to negative 164. I'm sorry, negative 168. So this is going to give us minus 168. Okay, for this one, okay, so this one cancels the positive 2A and the negative 2A. And then we have 24. So 17 minus 24. So that should give us negative 7. So we have here negative 7b is equal to 119 minus 168. So that should give us negative 49 for this one. And if we divide both sides by negative 7, we will get that the value of b for this problem is just equal to 7. Okay, guys, so therefore for this problem the value of b is equal to 7. And if we have the value of b here that's going to be equal to 7, we can solve for the value of a. We can use equation 2 on that regard. Okay, so for this one, okay, or maybe, okay, yeah, we can use equation 2 for that one. So that's going to give us 2a plus 17b is equal to 119, so that we can use both equations. So that's going to be 2a plus 17 times 7 is equal to 119. Okay, and what's 17 times 7, guys? 17 times 7, that's equal to 119 itself. So 2a is equal to 119 minus 119, and therefore a is just equal to, the value of a is just equal to 0. Okay, for this problem. Okay, so therefore, if we're going to solve for all of the angles for this one, therefore the measurement of angle C is going to be 12 times 7. 12 times 7 minus 2. 12 times 7 is equal to 84 minus 2. So that's equal to 82 degrees. So the measurement of angles is equal to 82 degrees. The measurement of angle O is going to be 17 times 7, okay, minus 1. So that's going to give us 118 degrees for angle O. And for angle P, we have here A, which is 0, plus 98. So that should give us 98 degrees. And we have here angle E. So we have here 2A plus 62. So 2A is just going to be 0. And then plus 62. So that's just going to give us 62 degrees. And therefore, these are the 4 angle measurements for our problem. And if you look closely, if we add C and P, it should give us 180 degrees. And O and E, they should give us 180 degrees as well. So therefore, we can prove that we've proven that all of our angles are supplements of each other, and our answers are correct. The measurement of angles is equal to 82 degrees. The measurement of angle O is 118 degrees. The measurement of angle P is 98 degrees. And the measurement of angle E is equal to 62 degrees. And that's how we solved it for this problem.